there's gonna be one camera right here pointing that way. But I figured I need to get those ones over there first. I thought I was gonna have enough with that third box, but that third box was just enough to get to the internet on the other room. So I was like, ah, well, I'll leave it like that, and then. Sorry, I'm just trying to get the stuff out of the way so I can move. Alright, here we go. Much smoother. Right through, behind. Right there, thread the needle. Let's go. A little messy, but yeah, no, that's fine. If it falls over, that's fine. Yeah, it's not gonna hit the floor though. Pretty sure I got more than enough. La chorrera. Oh, these. Double.
Tell me why my fat ass sold breadsticks.
It does look like breadsticks though.
I was like,
Joe. That's pretty good. Oh.
A nice little shed back there.
I need one too. I have one, but it's all, man, it's all messed up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tiene para coleccionar este animal.
Básicamente yo
Tengo miedo que hagan uno y se me metan mierda.
siempre se va a meter. I
This is kits from before?
No, it's a wooden one.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, when I bought the house, it was already there. I mean, it's not the greatest shape. It's actually pretty rough shape, but it still works. So I'm just like,
You get algo just to
oh yeah. One's gonna go right here, and the other one over there.
¿Dónde va?
Uno aquí
Apuntando para allá.
mirando para atrás, entonces este mirando para el frente, pero más para captar eso. Yeah, exactly. Man, bump that. Good. I think that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Thank you. We're almost there.
Alright, cool.
Put those two up right away and then just the one left. It'll do. Oops, sorry. Erase that other take. Ay, qué estúpido. Alright. For real this time, bro. For real this time. I'm gonna use a template. That looks pretty good. Like that. Este no vino con las cosas esas, ¿verdad? No. Qué raro. No tienen esto las de esas. I'm gonna have to go grab. You want to grab them for me?
Where is it?
It's in a van. Esto es un tornillo. Lo mío. No, it's fine. I had extras. They gave me extras. This one's not going in. It doesn't matter. It's just to hold this thing anyway.
I like this.
No, this is not it. But you found it. The other one that you were looking for. Justo a tiempo, papá. Ok.